Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you the simple and easy way to create a website for your home cinema installation service. So all you need to do, go to mightysites.com. It's only $9 a month. There's a 7-day free trial. You can create a simple website for your service just like that. Simply go here. You can look for the home cinema installation website template, which is right here. I'm just going to click on it, put in your company name. I'll just call this home cinema installation service, and then you can put in your location. So I'll add Raleigh, North Carolina, and then type of business. This is a service business, so I'll select service and click continue. Now, once I do that, it's going to automatically generate a template for my business. So just like that, without me doing anything, the website generator, the Mighty Sites website generator, will generate this simple professional website for my business. Now, all I need to do from here is make any customizations that I prefer. So let's just say that I want to change colors. So let's just say maybe a color like this works better with my brand, or the yellow, or I like the red or the earth tones. Whatever your logo and business look is, you can just thumb through the different templates and select a color theme that works best for you. So I'm going to just select, let's just say I want to go with this color for now. So I'm going to stick with this one, and you can see now I've changed the color to something that appeals to the look I'm going for. I can go to update section and I can add contact information. So I can just go here and type in my website address or my email address, select to show it on the website so people can contact me. I'm going to add my phone number as well. And so now people can see my phone number. And if I want to add my address, I can do that too. I can also add my social media links. So let's just say that I have an Instagram where I show off my installation services. You could just add in your link there. And again, you can just copy and paste your link, but I'm just going to type it in really quick. So now I've got my social links added, close, change the color. So I'm just going to refresh. And now you can see the icons are there for me. Now my contact information's there. And go to update section, and I can actually upload a logo if I want, or I can add any menu items. So if I prefer to add, another menu item here, I can just type in the text I want it to say, and then choose if it links to another website, to somewhere else on my website, an action like calling me or emailing me, or if I want to upload a PDF, maybe of my rates or something like that. Then I can go over here to browse, and I can upload my logo. So I'll just show you real quick. I'll use a Mighty Sites logo just as a demonstration. So let me just find an example logo here. So let's just say I want to use this logo here. I'll just open it up, and then once it loads, I've got a couple options. I can choose to save it and then make it bigger by clicking on the make it bigger button, make it smaller, clicking on the make it smaller button. I can click on this pencil, and all of the images that I upload or logos have all these image editing tools to frame it, resize it, annotate it, fine tune it, filter it, whatever I want to do. So I can thumb through those and edit my images and logos when I upload them. But if it all looks good, I can just save it as is. And so now I have the header pretty much filled out. So if I want to go over here, I can actually update this section as well. So depending on how you want this to read, you can update the title, the subtitle. I can go over here. Let's just say I want to edit this, schedule a free consultation. Maybe that's all I want to say. I just say free consultation, and it edits the button for me. Usually we like to suggest this button links right to your lead form. So I confirm that, save, and now if somebody clicks on this, it'll bring them right here to submit themselves to my business, so I get a new lead, and I'll show you what happens when they do that next. You can also update any of these sections really easily, so you just type in what you want it to say, and you can see it right there on the screen. Let's just say this is how you make a website for a home cinema installation service. And then if I want this contact button, let's just say I want that to call me. If somebody clicks on this, assuming they might be on their phone, when they visit my website, now if they click on contact us, it'll automatically call me. So again, I can update any of these images or text very simply and easily, update any section, but you can see within just a couple minutes, I'm pretty much ready to go. If I want to click on stop editing, I can see what the website looks like without those update section buttons. And you can see it's a really nice professional website for a home cinema installation service business. And if somebody's interested, they can go right here to your contact form, and they can type in their name, email, phone number, and then their message, I would like help installing a new home cinema. So they can type that in and click send. And there we go. They'll get a nice little message saying it was sent. And if they return back here to the site dashboard, you can see, so let me just go back to the site. And then let me return back to my site dashboard. You can see that I've just gotten a new lead. So you'll actually get an email to your email saying you have a new lead for services. And then if you go in here and click on it, you can see their message, their contact information, their email, so you can follow up with them and close the deal. You can also launch your website by just adding your custom domain, and then there's clear instructions for what you do with GoDaddy or Google Domains or wherever you have your domain registered, and you'll get a nice secure certificate website domain. And just like that, you're ready to launch a simple professional website for your home cinema installation services. It's only $9 a month, and it's ready to go just like that for you. And you can change anything that you like or launch it as is and have your brand new, simple, professional website online for your business.